Hello, hi everyone. In this throughout the series, we are going to talk about the JavaScript functionality. So this knowledge is enough for you to proceed with our web development. So I will cover you the topics one by one, and I will give you the JavaScript functionality, how it will be working, and how to implement the Java web development. So this knowledge is enough for you to build web pages. Okay. So as we discussed already in the previous HTML and CSS topics, we have always related uh, the examples with real-time examples with construction work. Okay, so like that, how to relate JavaScript in the construction work. Okay, so how when it comes to the HTML, we are taking an example of related with construction work, how you build the structure of your home. When it comes to the CSS, we relate with how you paint the house once the structure work is completed. Okay, after that, what you will do? You will fix the door and window and the switches, everything, right? So likewise, those things, once you done that, what you will do? You do some activity like you can open the door only, you can enter into the house. Like that, you can open the window, you can tap on the switch, only then the fan will run. So this is how the behavior will be in the construction in your home, right? So the same thing will be in a web pages as well. So how will you interact with the web pages? Either you can submit a form, you can click on the button, you can do some changes within the web pages. So that is how the user behavior will come into the place where in the web pages, by using the JavaScript only we can achieve it. Okay, so through the JavaScript, we can interact with the pages and we can do some visual changes by changing the content in the web pages. We can alter the content, we can update that content so that the dynamically the content flow will come into the places. Okay, and also when it comes to the using JavaScript in a web pages, you can do whatever you want in terms of behavioral changes. Okay, so based on the behavior, we need to write a programming language. So based on the user behavior, we can trigger something. So this is what we are going to cover one by one. Let's start with the basic things. So how to add JavaScript into HTML? There are two ways. First thing is the internal, and second thing is the external. What is internal and external? Internal means you can add our JavaScript code within the HTML file internally. So here you can take an example, script my function. So this my function, which I have added within the head tag. Okay, so this script is getting added internally within the HTML file. No other files we have used. So we are using only one single HTML. Within the single HTML, we are using script within the head tag. So what is this function will do? The function will get the element by ID. Demo is the ID of the element. And within the inner HTML, we just change to paragraph changed. Okay. So this is the body content h2 followed with the paragraph tag. Paragraph contains ID attribute, ID equal to demo. So this is what they are referring in the function. And within that, paragraph. This is the text which we have added initially. And also we render button. And the button on click, we just called my function. Okay. So when user tap on this button, click on this button, this on click will call. Okay, what this will do? When user click on this on click, the my function will call, and this demo HTML will get trigger. Okay, so what does it mean? Inner HTML will change it to paragraph into paragraph change. Let me take you to the example. Okay, so here I have added a code, right? So this is what I shown you in the slides as well. I will take you to how it will be look like in the front end. Okay, so for that I'm just navigating to basic HTML. Okay, so this is the demo JavaScript in head. We have added a script tag, and we have paragraph is this a paragraph tag container. We have added this text. Okay, when user click on this try it button, this will get changed to paragraph change text. Let's see. You'll able to see this one, this changes. So when user click on this button click, only then this will be changed. Okay, so this is what the implementation of JavaScript. Okay, so let me move on further. We have covered internally. Let's talk about the externally, how it will be look like. So the same function only, but instead of adding the script internally, I added a script in an external file. Okay, here the two files will come in a place. One is for the HTML file, another one is for the myscript.js, which I have created here. Okay, so instead of adding those script within the head tag, I added after the button tag. Okay, before body close, I just added this script tag, the script src myscript.js. myscript.js I have created the same level of where this HTML resides. Okay, I will show you, but the function, the snippet will be the same. Okay, we have a h2 followed by the paragraph tag, then button tag. Button tag we call the same function. Since we include the myscript.js, this will be triggered when the user click on this button. Okay, let me cover this code first, then I will take you to the examples. So external.js.html, this is the file I have added, and in addition I have added myscript.js. myscript.js, we have added the same function which we have covered in the internal JS. Okay, let me take you to the example in a browser level. So here I have added external JS. So this is the same behavior which we covered in the internal JS. So how it will be behave in the external JS? When the user click on this, this text got changed. Okay, this is what the purpose we have used this JavaScript in the HTML. So I hope you clear on this, how to use internal and external JS inclusion part. Let me know if you have any doubt. Thank you.